smiles across the miles.
Big up my mother.
Auntie Cherry, me miss you.
Yell up the little London district.
Stay connected this holiday season with your loved ones near and far by sending greetings across the world.
Greetings out to everybody. Greetings across the world. Big up, we are saying greetings out to everybody. Greetings across the world. Greetings across the world. Greetings across the world.
GATW starts now.
Hi Jamaica, I am Anisha. This is Rena, my mother. This is Kevin, and this is Uncle Grim. And we are here at Grace Deliverance Temple in the Bronx, New York.
Sending greetings to you Jamaicans all around, but especially I'm just going to mention you, Del Palma, Mr. Palma, Narda, Tamika, Brother Ted, Brother Buddha. There are some living in Spanish Town, some in Kingston, Golden Grove, St. Catherine, my neighboring people in Waterloo district in Spanish Town, my neighbors, and those are some of my church brethren who are living in Jamaica. They attend 104 Walton Park Road, and to the pastor and bishop there, we want to wish them all a very merry, happy Christmas, and for those in the West who have lost, but God is with you, and I know that He will restore back to you what you have lost. So it may not be a happy one, but He will provide back for you. And also I want to say hi to Mary in Duane Park and Nicholas and Dwayne, all those guys over there. So Uncle Grim is here with me and his two daughters, Sophia and Donna, wishing them all a very, and the grandson them, a Merry Christmas to you all guys, because, and to Damien and Christina and Shakira, all of you guys, a Merry Christmas to you all. And to Shanika, I don't forget you, my dear, I love you so much. For all those who have not mentioned, but you are not forgotten. God be with you all, bless and keep you all in Jesus' name.
A special shout out to my family back in Westmoreland, Granger, big up. The whole of Westmoreland, big up. Fullersfield. I'll be there soon. God bless you guys. There's so many names to mention. Bevelyn, Lincia, Brown Girl, Oliver. The whole of big up, man. Whole of Steve, Uncle Steve, much love. R.I.P. to my Uncle Ernell. Fullersfield, you're my heart. Love you guys. Westmoreland, big up. Shout out to whole of Jamaica. All the parishes. Much love. Respect. God bless.
Merry Christmas, Jamaica.
Yes, my name is Diego Ranks, you know. Big up yourself, Jamaica. You know, I said Diego Ranks, love you down there. I love my parish, I love my country. And Manchester I come from, you know. I'm a country man, big up myself, you know. And I love it, and all of my people, them. You know, say, me come down there every year. We don't know that. We don't know, say, we don't see me all the while. I want to soon see me back again, you know. So big up Kingston 8, Portmore, Manchester, all of them places. You know, the whole Jamaica, the whole 14 parish. Because me a man circulate the whole 14 parish when me there. You know, me a man movable. And big up on myself, people. My mother, Miss Millie, and my sister Judith, Tolo, my brother. Big up yourself, me out. And yes, so we're there, London, we're there, you know. To my family, Auntie Merkel, Peggy, the whole of them, the whole of my family, them, Dickie, the whole of them, everybody, the whole of them. I can't even call out their name, them so enough. Because my family big enough and everything. And big up on yourself, man. Respect and thanks. Christmas time, you know. But big up and bless up.
I was really emotional, you know. That storm was just dangerous. You know that God is the head of everything, and He will definitely bring our country back. I really believe that. So just work hard and stay strong.
Greetings across the world. Greetings.
Let's stay connected this holiday season with Greetings Across the World. Brought to you by JN Money and JN Bank.